Welcome back. This is example 6 for day 6, area of a trapezoid practice. It's asking us to determine the exact area of a trapezoid. So just a reminder that our area formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times your height. So let's see what we're given over here. We can see that two of the sides are equal, that one of the legs is 12√6, and we have angle measures of 60 and 45 degrees. Well, the first thing I would do here is I'm going to draw in the height here to create a right triangle, making this a 45-degree angle, and then this becomes a 45, 45, 90 triangle. We're given the hypotenuse here, so I can now find the length of my two legs. So off to the side, we can come here and say, to find my height, we have a 45, 45, 90. And we usually say this is my x, this is my x, and this is my x√2. So since I was given the side across from my 90 or my hypotenuse, I can set those equal. So 12√6 is equal to x√2. We're now going to isolate our x to figure out our height. And we get that x is equal to 12√3. So I can now come to my triangle, or my trapezoid, and write that in. So this is going to be 12√3. Along with this, I have a height here as well. So we can label that 12√3. And since these two sides are congruent, this is 12√3 as well. We're one step closer to determining our base. All right, so looking at this triangle, we can see that it's going to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So now, if we want to try and figure out what we'll call y over here, y is across from 30 degrees, and we are given a side that's across from our 60 degree. So we can say we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and our side, we'll call this y, y√3, 2y. Well, we were given the side across from our 60 degrees, so we can then set those two equal. So we can say that 12√3 is equal to y√3. We divide both sides by the square root of 3, and we get that y is equal to 12. So I can now come put that in to my drawing here, or my diagram. So this becomes 12, meaning that the side across my hypotenuse is going to be 2 times that, so 24. Along with this, we know that we have two congruent sides, so I can also say that this base is 24, and since our lengths are consistent, this will be 24 as well. I now have enough information to figure out the length of both my bases. So let's come over here and solve for our bases. So base 1 is 24. Base 2, well, we're going to add it all together. We have 24 plus 12√3 plus 12, which is equal to 36 plus 12 square root of 3. Now we have all the given information to solve for our area, so let's go ahead and do so. The area of this trapezoid is going to be 1/2 times 24 plus 36 plus 12√3 times our height, which is 12 root 3. Let's combine our like terms. So we have 60 plus 12 root 3 times 12 root 3. Okay, well now let's multiply that by 1/2. And that becomes 30 plus 6 root 3 times 12 root 3. We now have our exact area. Remember, for exact area, you want to keep it in radical form. So the area of this trapezoid is 30 plus 6 square root 3 times 12 root 3 units squared.